Welcome to OBDSync. In today's tutorial, we're going through how to program a replacement heating, ventilation, and air conditioning module, or also known as the HVAC, in a Holden JH Cruise. So first off, click the vehicle button, go to the HVAC module, and it will begin loading in the available options. Head up to the flashing tab along the top, and then we'll go to the right button. Before clicking, make sure you have a battery maintainer fitted, and once you do, you can go ahead and click the right button. This will then begin downloading the required files and then start the flashing sequence. Very important to make sure you have that battery maintainer fitted, since it takes roughly about a minute to do a calibration on your right. We've fast forwarded this section, but it does take around a minute for calibrations, or it can take several minutes if it also has to do the operating system update. So again, make sure you have a battery maintainer fitted before you complete this task. Once it's done, it will then pop up indicating that it has completed successfully. We can go ahead and click OK. Then we move to our learn functions, where we can perform our final option, which is the VIN security link. We've already performed this on this vehicle, so we won't click it now, but this will write the VIN and the immobilizer security information to the HVAC module. This takes approximately 11 minutes, so just keep that in mind. So make sure you got that battery maintainer fitted. Otherwise, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.